we need to be very careful with the type of skincare products we make use of, because once your skin barrier is damaged or compromised, number one, you will start noticing unnecessary sensitivity or irritation from skincare products. Your skin will be more prone to damage. Your skin will start feeling dry, flaky, itchy. That is the reason why our skin barrier, we need to be careful with what we make use of on our skin. Now, let's say your skin barrier has already been damaged or compromised. There are actually certain steps and skincare products that you can follow that will help you to repair and restore your damaged skin barrier. But before we go into the skincare products or tips that you can follow, there are certain causes of a damaged skin barrier, or these are just some skincare tips when it comes to treating a damaged skin barrier. Now, one of the causes of a damaged skin barrier is over exfoliation. That is when you're always exfoliating your skin, most especially when you're always making use of physical scrub. Now, some people might not know this, but you know, we have two types of exfoliation. We have the chemical scrub and we have the physical exfoliation, that is physical scrub. Now, despite the name states chemical exfoliation, chemical exfoliation is actually less harsher than physical exfoliation. And now, when you have a damaged skin barrier, it is very advisable that you let go of any products that are exfoliating on your skin. Now, another tip when it comes to repairing a damaged skin barrier is you need to avoid the use of hot showers. The reason why is because hot showers will strip moisture out of your skin, and a damaged skin barrier, you need products that will help you to moisturize your skin and not take away from the moisture on your skin. Now, another tip for treating a damaged skin barrier is that you need to avoid the use of harsh skincare products, okay? Because when your skin barrier is compromised and you're making use of harsh skincare products, take for example, we have benzoyl peroxide, we have retinoid as a whole, okay? You need to avoid this type of skincare products. Even vitamin C. Yes, the reason why I said that is because vitamin C can actually be sensitive on your skin. Vitamin C is actually a very strong ingredient. So you don't need all these active ingredients. You need gentle ingredients on your skin when it comes to repairing a damaged skin barrier. Now, another skincare tip is that, and this has to do with sunscreen. You know, when you're trying to repair a damaged skin barrier, the type of sunscreen that you go for, I know that generally people say that you should go for sunscreen that contains at least an SPF of 30 in it. But if your skin barrier is damaged, I'll advise you to go for sunscreens that contains at least SPF 50 in it. Now, this is the reason why I said you should go for at least SPF 50 sunscreen. It's because when your skin barrier is damaged, your skin is more prone to sunlight exposure damage. It is more prone to sun damage. That is, every little sun light that hits on your skin, it can actually increase more sensitivity, irritation on your skin. So when you go for higher SPF, you are giving your skin higher protection. So have you seen the logic behind the reason why I said you need SPF 50 above instead when you have a damaged skin barrier? Okay, that is the type of amount of SPF that you need. Now, another tip is that, you know, these skincare products I'm going to be sharing with you, it is very important that you are consistent with your skincare routine. I've already said remove any product that are exfoliating, remove any harsh ingredients, active product like AHA, BHA. You don't need all those type of products. Those products are going to cause more irritation on your skin. They will further damage your skin barrier. You need gentle products when it comes to repairing your skin barrier. So you need to be consistent with these products, with your skincare routine, with your skin and barrier repair product. Okay, as a matter of fact, it will take you around 6 weeks for you to start seeing improvements in the repair of your skin barrier. So consistency is very important. So now that you know what are the causes and some skincare tips to repairing a damaged skin barrier, now there are certain ingredients. You know, I mentioned AHA, exfoliating ingredients, benzoyl peroxide. I said you should avoid those type of ingredients if you want to repair a damaged skin barrier. Now, what type of ingredients can you now use when you want to repair a damaged skin barrier? You need to look out for ingredients that will help you, that focuses on repairing barrier, that focuses on moisturizing the skin, hydrating the skin, that are soothing, calming to the skin. Those are the type of ingredient that you should focus on. Now, some examples of ingredients that are good for repairing damaged skin barrier. We have ceramide. Ceramide is like one of the very effective ingredients when it comes to repairing a damaged skin barrier. We also have peptides, we have humectants. Example, we have glycerin, we have urea, we have hyaluronic acid, we also have niacinamide. You know, I said you should don't make use of vitamin C, so you can replace niacinamide with vitamin C. Okay, so you can also make you also need anti-inflammatory ingredients. Example, we have aloe vera. You know, I said aloe vera will help you to soothe and calm irritation on your skin. You also need chamomile extract. This is also an anti-inflammatory ingredient. Another good anti-inflammatory ingredient, we have the green tea extract. We also have licorice root extract, and then you also need occlusive. Okay, so these are just examples of ingredients that will help you when it comes to repairing your damaged skin barrier. Now let's go into the skincare routine and products you can make use of. Now your skincare routine should just be basic. You don't need a complex skincare routine. So products that you should be going for are products that are gentle on the skin, like gentle cleansers, gentle moisturizers. Those are the type of products that you should be going for. Gentle products on the skin. You also need hydrating products, and you need moisturizing products or barrier repair products. Now coming to first step in your skincare routine, which is cleansing. Now one good cleanser, gentle cleanser that you can make use of is from the Face Fact brand, and the cleanser I am talking about is this Face Fact Ceramide Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Face Fact products, they are so gentle on the skin. They will help you repair a damaged skin barrier. They contain wide variety of products that focuses on repairing damaged skin barrier. So this Face Fact gentle cleanser, it's a very nice product that you can actually make use of. Now this product contains ingredients like 5 ceramides. You know, I said that ceramide is good when it comes to repairing damaged skin barrier. Now this Face Fact cleanser, it contains 5 ceramides in it. Okay, now it also contains hyaluronic acid, it contains glycerin, it contains soothing oats. Okay, the combination of this ingredient that I mentioned to you will help you to hydrate your skin. It will help you repair a damaged skin barrier. So another good cleanser that you can make use of is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is another good, this cleanser is so gentle on the skin. This cleanser contains one particular key ingredient that is called the vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is also known as panthenol or panthenoic acid. Now, vitamin B5 that is found in this cleanser, it is so good when it comes to repairing damaged skin barrier. Vitamin B5 offers a lot of benefits to the skin. Okay, this cleanser also contains niacinamide in it. This cleanser also contains glycerin in it. So it's either you make use of the Face Fact cleanser or you make use of this Cetaphil cleanser. Now once you're done gentle cleansing your skin, you move on to the next step in your skincare routine, which is applying hydrating toner. Now the reason why I am bringing in toner in this your skincare routine is because it will give you more hydration to your skin. You know, I said you need product that will help you hydrate, moisturize, repair your skin, and that are also gentle on the skin. Now toners that you should make use of: only hydrating toners. Some good examples of toners you can make use of: we have this Isntree hyaluronic acid toner. This one contains hyaluronic acid as one of its key ingredients in this toner, as we all know that hyaluronic acid helps when it comes to hydrating the skin. So this toner will give you a boost of hydration to your skin, and as your skin is more hydrated, it will assist you to repair your skin barrier. Now another good toner you can make use of is the CeraVe Hydrating Toner. This product actually contains ceramides in it. This product contains hyaluronic acid in it, and this product also contains niacinamide in it. Okay, this product contains 3 essential ingredients that are actually going to assist you when it comes to repairing a damaged skin barrier. So it's either you make use of the Isntree hyaluronic acid toner I mentioned to you, or you make use of this CeraVe hydrating toner, any of them, it will actually help you to hydrate your skin. Even this CeraVe toner that I'm mentioning to you, as it helps you to hydrate your skin, because of the presence of ceramide that is found in this toner, it will also help you to repair a damaged skin barrier. So these are two good hydrating face toners that you can make use of. Now, once you're done applying a toner, you go in with your moisturizer. So you need moisturizers that are focused on barrier repair. So a very good barrier repair moisturizer you can make use of is the Face Fact Moisturizing Gel Cream. It contains a skin barrier complex of 5 ceramides. This product also contains hyaluronic acid. It contains vitamin E in it, and it also contains skin soothing oats in it. Now, when your skin barrier is damaged, I already mentioned that your skin will be more prone to irritation. Now, this Face Fact moisturizer, it will not only help you to repair a damaged skin barrier, it will also help you to calm down. It will also help you to calm and soothe skin irritation. So this Face Fact moisturizer, it's a very nice moisturizer that you can make use of if you have a damaged skin barrier. Now, another good face moisturizer you can make use of course, is also from the CeraVe brand, and that is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So this product also contains ceramide. Obviously, this is CeraVe products. CeraVe products always contain ceramide, and that is one thing I love about CeraVe products. So this product contains ceramides in it, which will help you to repair a damaged skin barrier. It contains hyaluronic acid. It contains glycerin, which will also help you to hydrate, moisturize your skin, and repair your damaged skin barrier. Now, once you're done applying your moisturizer, you apply your sunscreen. Okay, I know I mentioned before that you should go for sunscreen that contains at least an SPF of 50 in it, and always remember to reapply your sunscreen. It is very, very important. Now, good sunscreens you can make use of. The first one on my list is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This sunscreen here contains an SPF of 50 plus PA 4 plus. Now, this sunscreen here, it contains hyaluronic acid in it. You know, I mentioned that hyaluronic acid is good for repairing damaged skin barrier. So hyaluronic acid here will help you to hydrate your skin. It will add more hydration to your skin. Sunscreen is good for all skin types. This sunscreen will not leave a white cast on your skin. Okay, when you make use of this sunscreen, it is not going to give you too much of a dewy finish, and it is not also going to give you a matte finish. So your skin is not going to be looking greasy. Okay, neither is it going to give you a matte finish. So this is a very nice sunscreen that you can make use of, the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. Now, another good sunscreen, the second sunscreen you can actually make use of, is the Bondi Sand Daily Moisturizing Face. So this sunscreen contains an SPF of 50 in it, and this sunscreen contains key ingredients like vitamin E. It contains aloe vera, which will help you to calm and soothe irritation, and this sunscreen does not leave a white cast on the skin. Now, coming to the finish of this sunscreen on the skin, this sunscreen gives more of a dewy, shiny finish on the skin. So if maybe you don't like your sunscreen to be giving you this dewy finish or shiny finish on your skin, then do not go for this sunscreen. You can go for the Isntree sunscreen that I mentioned to you. So that is just the finishing look of this sunscreen on the skin. And another thing again is that this sunscreen actually gives you, it will give you 72 hours of hydration, and it is also water resistant. Now, coming to nighttime skincare routine. So basically, your nighttime skincare routine also needs to be basic, just like your morning skincare routine. The only difference is that you don't need to apply a sunscreen when it comes to your nighttime skincare routine. Okay, you just go in with other of your products, but you don't apply a sunscreen. So you can make use of the product you used in the morning, you just use it in the night. So that is when it comes to your nighttime skincare routine for repairing a damaged skin barrier. Now, if this video was helpful to you, I would recommend you also check out this my video over here. This video is talking about the product and process you can follow when it comes to treating green veins, spider veins, or varicose veins, which is another skin concern some people are actually faced with. So you can follow this link over here to check out that video. So loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.